Hello students, hope you all are safe and taking care of yourself as well as of your studies. Welcome to BitOxygen Academy. I am Gautami Geeta and today we will discuss about Class B addressing scheme. Before moving to our today's topic, let's have a short discussion of what we have learned previously. First, we had discussed about IP protocol, which works on layer 3 of OSI. If you had not watched the video, please go through that video. I hope you all had previously watched the series of videos based on OSI layers made by Madhvi Madam in the same channel, which I hope you all know, that is BitOxygen Academy. If not, I recommend you all to watch the videos for better understanding. Secondly, we had discussed about IP versions, that is version 0, version 1, version 2 up to version 9. But frequently used versions are version 4 and version 6. Third, we had discussed about two types of addressings used in networking, that is IP and MAC addresses, and the difference between these two types of addressing schemes. We had also discussed about IPv4 addresses. Finally, we had started the topic of classful addressing of IPv4. We had learnt about the needs of classful addressing and we had completed the discussion over Class A addresses. A short overview of Class A addresses. Prefix for Class A is 0. The range of Class A addresses are 1 to 126, not 0 to 128. And why so? I think that is clear to all of you, so write your answer in comment section. And if not, then go to the previous video for answer. The default mask for Class A address is 255.0.0.0. The network address and broadcast addresses and how to find them. For network addresses, make all host bits zeros, and for broadcast address, make all host bits 1. I think you all were aware of this. So let's start the session of Class B addresses. Today we will discuss about the Class B addressing scheme, in which we find the various answers like where to use Class B addresses, what is the prefix for Class B, what is the range of Class B addresses, what is the default subnet mask for Class B address, what is the network address and broadcast address, and how to find them. Let's moving forward and start our session with the first question, which is where to use Class B addresses. Where to use Class B addresses? Class B addresses are used where we require 256 to 65,534 hosts to be connected. For example, any organization where 500 hosts are working and all should have to be connected to each other. We cannot use Class A addresses since in Class A there were 16 million host addresses are present, and when we have to use only 500 addresses, why to waste this big amount of addresses? I think you all have a question that in Class B we have 65,534 host addresses and we are using here only 500 addresses. Then what will happen with those remaining 65,000 addresses? Simply all of them were wasted. So a new mechanism was introduced for removing this waste. This is known as classless addressing scheme. We will discuss about that also in our next videos. Here we are discussing about Class B addresses. So Class B addresses are used where we require only 256 to 65,534 hosts to be connected. What is the prefix for Class B? Prefix for Class B is 10. This specifies whenever you see an address which has 10 in its starting 2 bits of first octet, you can identify this as of Class B address. Since starting 2 bits were reserved as of prefix bits, we had remaining 30 bits. With the help of these 30 bits, we have 2 to the power 30 addresses, which is 25% of total address space, and total address space is approximately 4 billion. So 25% or 1/4 of 4 billion is equal to 1 billion addresses. These 1 billion addresses are further divided into various network addresses, which are 128.0.0.0 to 128.255.0.0 to 191.255.0.0. What is the range of Class B addresses? The decimal range of Class B addresses is 128 to 191. So we can say an IP is of Class B when its first two bits are 10 or first octet's value is between 128 to 191. So total number of network addresses in Class B is equal to 2 to the power 16 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 14. Why 16 minus 2? Since in each octet we have 8 bits. So the 16 is for the 16 bits of two consecutive starting octets, and since we reserved 2 bits as of prefix, so minus 2 is for the reserved bits. So we had 2 to the power 14 is equal to 16,384 network addresses. What is the network and broadcast addresses? In these 16,384 networks, we can connect 2 to the power 16 host addresses. Why 2 to the power 16? Since we have 16 bits in host ID part. With these 16 bits, we can create 2 to the power 16 is equal to 65,536 combinations, and each combination represent one address. But we have 65,536 minus 2 addresses available for hosts in Class B, which is equal to 65,534. Why minus 2 here? In the session of Class A, we had already discussed that in every network there are two addresses reserved, which are B.B.0.0 for network address and B.B.255.255 is for broadcast address. The relevance of network and broadcast address is clear to all of you, since network addresses represents address of each network in a group of networks, and broadcast IP is used for sending a common message to all the hosts in that network. The default subnet mask for Class B addresses is 11111111111111 00000000000000, and in decimal it is 255.255.0.0. How to calculate network and broadcast addresses? Let's take an IP as 145.16.2.9. In binary it is 10010001, 0001, 00010000, 0000001000001001. Since its first octet's value is 145, which is in the range of 128 to 191, and in binary 10 is in the first two bits of first octet. So we can say this is an Class B address. So here first two octets is equal to first 16 bits represent network ID, and last two octet is equal to last 16 bits represents host ID. For creating network address, simply make all host bits as 0 and leave network ID part as it is. We get 10010001, 0001000000, 000000000000, and in decimal it is 145.16.0.0. Since in any octet, whenever we have all bits 0, we get a decimal 0 for that octet. And for creating broadcast IP, set all hosts as 1 and leave network bits as it is. We get 10010001, 00010000, 111111111111, and in decimal 145.16.255.255, since we get 255 decimal for all 8 bits in any octet. An exercise for you all. Calculate first total number of hosts which can be connected in the given IP, second network IP, and third broadcast IP for the given IP, which is 167.18.10.17. You can calculate your all calculations in binary and then convert all of them into the decimal part. That's all for today's session. We will meet soon with class C addresses. Till that, be safe. Like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel if you had not subscribed. Also press the bell icon for more updates. You can follow us on Insta on handler BitOxygen_academy. Write in comment section if you have any doubt or query or suggestions. You can also write us on our mail ID, which is info.bitoxygen@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video.